Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss Microsoft Word. Today I discuss Microsoft Word 2010. This today this topic name is formatting. Formatting in Microsoft Word. My dear student, what is the formatting? Formatting is a general arrangement. I write down formatting. Formatting is a general arrangement of the text of the formatting is a general arrangement of the text to make the document attractive and presentable. Attractive and presentable. Anybody asked to you what is the formatting? Formatting is a general arrangement to the text. This is the focus to text to make the document attractive and presentable. My dear student, text formatting, I write down text formatting. Text formatting features like highlights, text formatting feature like highlights the topic name, proper identification, proper indentation and a spacing, text alignment, text alignments. First topic formatting, second topic text. This formatting is mainly related to the text formatting. I again repeat, what is the character formatting? Text is the major component of Microsoft Word document. Word document. Text formatting is major component of Word document. When we enter the text in Word document, in appear the some standard formatting. So I every such type of point discuss with the practical classes. So let's see a start. So my dear student, let's see a start to the practical class. My dear student, first of all I open to MS Word. This is the first of all you go to the start menu and go to the all programs and choose to the Microsoft Office 2013. You install 2007, you open to 2007, install 2010, install 2010. So don't worry. You go to the MS Word. This is the MS Word. Open to the MS Word and just click to the blank document. Just click to the blank document. My dear student, I write down to any such type of sentence. Suppose I write text. Text is the text is a major component of Word document. Word document. Text is the major component of Word document. Text formatting feature. Text formatting features like highlighting the topic name, proper indentation and spacing, etc. I write down with the two topic, 2 point. So my dear student, I write to the text related to the topic. So first of all, I go to the font style. This is the font style. Clipboard. You just click to the font style, means every such type of sentence is changed to this style. So first of all, you select to the all over sentence and you go to the font style. You go to the font Control Shift plus F. This is the shortcut. Control Shift F. Yeah, you go to this is the home page and this is the career body. You just click and you just which type of font you selected. Suppose I select to in this font. So this is the total sentence change to the different style. Suppose I change to the different style. So you just select to in this particular area. So you change to the font style. Suppose my text font is minimum. This is the I show to the big. So you go to the change to the criteria 2020 to 23. You just select in this any such type of area. You text is automatically a small to capital. This is the all such type of font is automatically increases and you just decreases in the value. The text is automatically decreases. This is the text area. So you just click in this area and automatically change the all over font. Suppose I put in the any such type of color. Any such type of color. You just go to in this area and you just select to I select to the red. This is the text is automatically changed. So formatting means general arrangement of the text to make the document attractive and the presentable. This is the suppose I am not changed to the every such type of sentence color. So you just click to the in this particular sentence and you just click in this area, the automatically change the color in this particular area. Again, I change to the any such type of style. Word art. This is the art. Which type of art? The automatically select suppose this type. So those type you have selected, you automatically change the every such type of style. You just select in this particular style and just select in this area. So this is the font, changing the font size, changing the this is the font size, this is the change to the font size. You go to in this area and then increase in the value, the automatically font size is the change. My dear student, first of all, suppose this all our sentence I change to the bold letter. You just go to the B and shortcut method Ctrl+B. You just go to the B and click to the bold. The all over line is the automatically bold. You suppose italic. You just click to the I. The all over word point is the italic. Suppose I put the underline in this particular sentence. You just go to the U and this is the all over to the sentence to the. But first of all, without selection, there is no any such type of work in this particular area. Font color. You just go to in this area and you just select to in this area. No any such type of changes. You first of all select to all our sentence and you just click to the particular color. That automatically changes to the color. So my dear student, I have already discussed what is the formatting, what is the change to the font style, what change to the color, change to the clip art. This is the word formatting. Thank you, student.